Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna create this beautiful halo eye look for Haldi. This is perfect for brides-to-be who are looking forward to do their own makeup. Before beginning with the video, if you haven't subscribed to Sugar Cosmetics YouTube channel yet, then please take a moment to do so. To fill in my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Arch Arrival Brow Powder in the shade Cherry Brown, and I'm just going to use that to fill in brows and also to define them. This is a very efficient and quick product. It packs a lot of punch to your eyebrows and fills in your gaps on the brows beautifully. Then I'm going to take the Magic Wand Concealer in the shade Corn Panna and apply it as a base for my eyeshadow work, which I'm going to do next, and blend it out thoroughly using a blending brush. For eyeshadow, first I'm taking the Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in the variant Flawless and pick up that matte orangey warm toned eyeshadow on a blending brush and apply that all over the crease in a blown out way. Then I'm taking the Warrior palette and picking up a deep chocolatey brown shade on a pencil brush and deepening up my crease. Once I'm happy with the blending, I'm taking the Wonder Woman lip lacquer in the shade Gracia, which is a beautiful hot vibrant pink liquid lipstick, and apply that on the either corners of my eyes as an eyeshadow and create a halo shape. And immediately after applying the lipstick, I'm just gonna blend it out because it sets very fast. Again, gonna go into the brown shade from the Warrior palette on the same pencil brush and apply that to the exact outer V and inner V. This is just gonna create a depth to your halo eye shape. And I'm taking this beautiful product from Sugar. This is their Jelly eyeshadow in the shade Champagne Charm, which is a beautiful muted gold, very popping foiled eyeshadow. Now I'm going to move on to the face. I'm taking the Aquaholic priming moisturizer and apply that all over the face and blend it out thoroughly. This is going to act as a primer as well as moisturizer. For foundation, I'm using the Rage for Coverage foundation in the shade Americano. I'm taking that on my beauty blender and tapping on my face gently to create that flawless full coverage base for Haldi. This is a beautiful foundation for longer lasting effect. It just lasts throughout the day. Again, gonna use the Corn Panna Magic Wand Concealer to highlight the under eyes, also to highlight the center of the face as well, and blend it out using the same concealer blending brush. I'm gonna do a bit of cream contouring. I'm using the Face Forward stick in the shade Espresso Edge, which is a beautiful deep chocolatey brown contouring shade, and just apply that to chisel out my features and blend it out again using the same beauty blender in upward strokes to create that lift and structure. Once that is done, I'm taking the Set the Tone powder in the shade Corn Panna and baking properly underneath my eyes to set and lock the concealer on the under eyes, and also using a very light layer of the same powder on a powder brush to set the rest of the face as well. It's a beautiful finely milled powder and works on all skin types. While the powder is baking, I'm going to define my lower lash line using the same chocolatey brown shade from the Warrior palette using a pencil brush. To create a winged eyeliner, I'm taking the Arrested for Overstay pen type eyeliner in a black shade and creating a nice thick bold winged eyeliner on both my eyes. To finish off the eye makeup, I'm using the Lash of Titan's volumizing mascara to my top and bottom eyelashes to create nice volume and length to my lashes. For blusher, I'm taking the Contour de Force Mini Blusher in the shade Mauve Marble, which is a beautiful deep mauve toned blush which looks amazing on dusky complexion and stays put very well on the skin. To highlight, I'm using the Contour de Force Mini Highlighter in the shade Metal Metal. This is a beautiful golden toned highlighter and it just looks amazing on dusky skin again. Moving on to the lips, I'm taking the Wonder Woman lip lacquer again in the shade 08. This is called Pridester, which is a beautiful deep brown shade. I'm using this to overdraw and outline my lips. For the main lipstick shade, I'm using the same exact pink liquid lipstick that I used earlier on my eyelids, which is called Gracia, and just apply that all over the lips, and this is just going to create that beautiful soft ombre effect on your lips. Now to set everything in place, I'm using the Grand Finale setting mist in the matte variant because my skin is very oily. This is going to make sure that the makeup lasts throughout the event. And here is the final finished look.